المعهد الأندلسي.
الحمد لله رب العالمين حمدا كثيرا طيبا مباركا فيه كما يحب ربنا ويرضى وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. أما بعد, welcome to this module, Guide to Discipline. Without any exaggeration, this module is the most important part of the whole program. And if you were to take something from me as a teacher to you, if you were to only take one thing or one set of things, it will be this module. I'd rather you learn this and you take this, and I have, we have cross path in life. Me as a teacher and you as a student, I'd rather you only learn this from me, what is in this module, than you learn Arabic. If you were to take only one thing. So this shows the importance of this guide to discipline. It is a set of things that are very simple and we, they are encrypted in us. We tend to know they are important, but we neglect them. And one of the reasons why we neglect them is because we don't know. Most of the people that talks about this, they don't give you the actual practical steps on how to apply those things that will lead to discipline. And so, it took me, about 2 weeks to put this together. These are things that I myself have been practicing for the past 3 years. So, alhamdulillah, I speak from experience. And again, without exaggeration, this is the most important part of the whole program. This module, there are going to be things that I will give you as a reference for you to have, like you can put them in your room or whatever you might want to put them, so you can have a constant relation with them and be able to remember them. But as well, the whole module, I would recommend to, refresh watching it every, month, couple of months. Hopefully it's not going to be too long. You can watch it on 2x speed and still benefit from those topics that we are going to cover. So this brings me to the topics we are going to cover in this module. First of all, the limiting beliefs and how to fix them. Second of all, the common student mistakes that lead to failure. The things that the students in general do in this program that makes them not complete the program and makes them fail at the program. Motivation to discipline. Why we shouldn't rely on motivation. We should instead, works towards discipline. Planning and how to do so, practical steps. And like I said, guys, everything that we're gonna speak about theory, and I'm going to tell you certain things about theory, but the most important part is me giving you the practical steps to do so. And then the leading distractions, essentialism, okay, or what we will call in Arabic az-zuhd, and how to basically focus on what matters, to not be distracted. Deep work, which is a concept on how to work and accomplish, different, tasks more efficiently, which, is going to be our way on how to study. We are going to, switch on the deep work switch on, and we are going to get into deep work mode. And that's how we are going to learn faster. Then I will teach you about the routines and habits that we need to apply in our lives, and that will give us the best results, like small actions that we will adapt on a daily basis that will give us the biggest reactions and the biggest results, which obviously will allow us to learn faster. And then last, we are going to talk about, becoming your new you, what to expect now, how to maintain what you have learned, and how to go ahead with your new habits and routines in order for you to maintain it. And like I said, guys, I want you guys to maintain it as, like for life. Not only for you to be in the pro, no, for life. This is going to help you accomplish other, fields. Whether it's after you finish learn Arabic, you start memorizing the Quran and apply these same things, is going to dramatically improve your efficiency in anything you do in life, in anything you study in life, and it's going to bring you more success in anything you decide to put your hands on. So this is a short video to let you guys know what we have coming and what we are going to be talking about. So, this whole module is going to be about contemplating the problems we have going on and how to fix them and why are they important and why things that we are doing are bad. Then we are going to prepare. I will give you the practical steps on how to apply, different things in order for us to get rid of the bad things and in order for us to increase of the good things. And then we are going to start working towards it. And I will give you guys a few pointers and things to do so we can start get this moving and picking up that momentum. And lastly, we are going to talk about how to maintain those new habits and those new routines that we have set in place in order for us to make this our lifestyle and in order for us to apply this in our lives so we can finally become disciplined. So see you guys on the next part of the module, and thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum.